Built-up design. The built-up design of this backpack provides multiple organizing pockets and a stable carrying system. Laptop pocket. This backpack features an interior padded pocket which fits up to a 15 laptop. Officially licensed. This piece of Naruto merchandise is officially licensed and 100% authentic. High-quality material. These backpacks are made from durable polyester which makes them long-lasting collectibles. Dimensions. These book bags measure 20 x 13 w by 5.75 d. Top reviews from the United States. Absolutely dope backpack. It's very high quality and does not disappoint. This backpack is durable and has good pockets. If I had one complaint, it's that if the zippers on the laptop pocket are in the middle, it will unzip and dangle. Doesn't do it if they're both to one side though, so still giving I 5 stars. This backpack got plenty compliments at A-Kon this summer and worked well for the convention.